Let's say I send you this location on the map. I asked you to find my home, but using just this one point, do you know what floor I am on? What apartment I am in? No. So thus we created Wi-Fi positioning system. So initially GPS can only give you up to an accuracy of about a few meters, and obviously it doesn't show what floor you're on. But like with Wi-Fi positioning system, we're able to use the existing infrastructure, that is the Wi-Fi networks, and use different RSSI strengths to essentially pinpoint where you are. It can predict whether you are on the first floor, whether you're in a single room, whether you're outside, and it can do that using just the Wi-Fi networks. So how are we able to do this? So we essentially trained a ML model that basically took in Wi-Fi network data in order to give out a prediction. So initially we managed to find over 200 different data points, which were like just SSID and the Wi-Fi strengths. And then we trained the model for about 100 epochs, and were able to get around an 85% accuracy. Now using so how does this system work? First, the users register using their base64 signed usernames and passwords, which is sent using the body. Then the user signs in using a username and password, which is sent as a header as a basic authentication. So once the user logs in, he gets back a token, which is then used to authenticate further requests to increase the security. So currently I have two users signed in, or two users created, which is me and Harry. So now over here you can see the current states of each of the ports. Now let's say this is a sample request, which is an inside prediction, and just send it to the server, and it sends me back a prediction of 1, which is for inside. So over here, if I give it a prediction of outside, it'll update live over here and let me know. I can also create different IFTTT rules, which is I can set like if I'm inside, then there should be a text sent to my mobile number, or I should get a notification of my phone, or I could also play or pause on Spotify and send an email as well. So since we were not able to access the labs right now, we can't really showcase the working version, but this should explain it pretty well.